Question, how does this affect the case moving forward?
Let's bring in Atlanta News First anchor and attorney Joy Lim-Nakran here now with more. I know you've been going through this all day long, so what could happen next?
Well, that is a big question. There's
Sure.
a lot to cover here, but in short, we can and we should expect appeals. Mr. Trump and any of his co-defendants can appeal this decision. In theory, Ms. Willis and the prosecutors involved could also, but almost immediately after the ruling, Mr. Trump's Georgia attorney vowed to, quote, fight to end this case, which he says never should have been brought in the first place. That language alone really indicates an appeal to try again to have Ms. Willis and Mr. Wade both removed and all the charges dropped. Obviously, Mr. Wade has already announced his resignation, which has been accepted. But again, there could be an appeal now to remove Ms. Willis still. We can likely anticipate pushback from Ms. Willis as well to some extent. But this also means more delays in a case that has barely just begun.
The window for trying this case prior to November is very much closing, if it's not closed already. It would be very difficult for the state and the defense to appropriately prepare and be ready for a trial of this magnitude in such a short window, especially with outstanding appeal issues.
Now, to file an appeal to this decision, an application must first be filed, and the deadline for that is 10 days.
And Joy, we know you'll be watching every bit of it. Thanks so much. This is a crucial decision, of course, in the 2020 election tampering case. Atlanta News First continues to dig into what this will mean for the case as it keeps moving forward. You can download the Atlanta News First app where you can find all of our coverage on the decision that Fani Willis makes.